Okay, I'm back, and what's a better way to kick off again than by doing an unboxing? Not orchids this time, but some rarer and unusual tropical plants. The time between shipping and arrival at my doorstep took only 24 hours, and he also made sure you opened the box on the right side. While browsing the internet, I found the webshop of Palma Verde Exotics, and while looking through it, I decided to order me some plants, one of which I had been searching for many years. Their website shows a broad range of subtropical and tropical plants for your garden and home. And the individual pages show you some realistic pictures, the available sizes of the plants available, and some good information on their care and growing habits. As a test, I ordered 5 plants to see what quality they have. I put the links to their website in the description below. So let's go on and take them out of the box. Although the box was quite long, I found it to be quite narrow to contain 5 plants. However, upon opening it, I found the plants very well and securely packed, and it took me a while to get them out of the box. They were literally taped in very securely so they wouldn't start moving around during transport. In order to keep the plants sturdy in their pot and no soil would fall out, the plants were locked in their pots with sturdy, transparent foil, and everything was kept in place with a lot of brown tape. The blue-flowered Jacaranda is a small South American tree that produces lavender blue flower clusters. The idea is to transform these tropical beauties into bonsai in the future. The composed leaves are quite large, so it will be trained as a larger bonsai in this style. The Duranta, or golden dewdrop, also has hanging clusters of blue flowers, and after flowering it produces yellowish-orange clusters of fruit, and the plant sent to me is forming buds near the tips of the longest branches. The Ixora originates from Southeast Asia, where it grows into a large shrub. It produces orangey-red clusters of small flowers, and the new leaves are red when they are formed and turn green when they mature. Murraya bella is native to southern Africa. It is grown as a shrub or a climber and produces white flowers with soft pink and purple veining. Its flowers look like lilies. And last but not least, Murraya paniculata, the orange jasmine, and another Southeast Asian shrub or tree, and this species I've been searching for many years. It produces small star-shaped white flowers that smell like the Cape jasmine, and after flowering it can produce red berries. The bark on this tree has a silky feel and turns almost white when mature. Let's put all the plants together so you can see the good quality and good sized plants they sent. I'm very pleased with what I've gotten. If you like growing subtropical or tropical plants and you live in Europe, I certainly recommend them. And if you live in the vicinity of the Netherlands, maybe you can visit them yourself at the open doors in 2024 from Friday, June 7th until Sunday, June 9th. Hope you enjoyed this video again, and the topic of my next upload will be orchids again. Thanks for watching, and until next time.